Hey, Phil here, and I wanted to pop in here with a little case study about how I've used evergreen content and why I feel like for my channel that has been the most successful type of content. So, putting into practice some of the things that Mike has talked about in this section so far, let's go over to my videos tab. And if you want to, you can do this yourself, or you could do this on any other YouTuber. I'm going to sort by most popular here. And here you'll see all the types of videos that I put together that are my top videos. We've got top 10 ways to make passive income, how to retire early, what is the 4% rule. So these are personal finance related videos that I created a few years ago, and it was something that I was starting to get into. I realized that this wasn't the type of video I wanted for this channel. It's not necessarily what people are coming to this channel for, but at the same time, they are in fact my most popular videos. So I leave them on the channel for now, and eventually I am planning to branch out and create a completely new channel dedicated to personal finance, and I'll direct people to that channel from these videos using things like cards and updated description and things like that. But for now, I do leave them on my channel because you never know who's going to watch this video and then end up wanting to learn some of my other things that I teach in my other videos. Heck, see this one, Baseball Explained in 5 Minutes, another most popular video, one that gets a lot of engagement, but has nothing to do with video production, photography, anything that this channel truly is about. That being said, look at the titles of these videos and see how these videos are good now. They were good 5 years ago whenever I created them, and most of them will be applicable and good to watch in the next few years. And that's what we mean by evergreen content, and why on my channel those are the videos that get the most views and have the most long-term success. Now if I go back to and I sort by date added, newest, we'll see that some of the videos that I create aren't necessarily evergreen, but they're still good for my channel. They're just not the type of video that's going to get hundreds of thousands of views unless I had millions of subscribers. This one, for example, this is 2018 year in review video of Video School Online, or Happy Holidays from the Eboners. These are two videos that, after this year, no one's gonna watch these videos. No one really cares about my holiday message from 2018. I might get a few views here or there. Some people might be interested in going back and watching previous years in reviews. But here's another example. We hit 100,000 subscribers, free course giveaway. These are things that aren't evergreen, and that's completely okay to create that kind of content because it's what keeps your subscriber engaged with you. But at the same time, it's not the type of video that is going to have long-term success in most instances. So I would err on the side of trying to create more content that is evergreen than this type of video, because this type of video, you can be successful with it. There are lots of vloggers out there, daily vloggers, weekly vloggers, who are successful at this kind of, I'll call it entertainment style video. And when I say entertainment, that's a very broad use of the term, but really what I mean is just like a daily update or a weekly update type of video that doesn't have a specific subject. Those kinds of videos are tough to have success with. Only if you are a very entertaining person yourself and can attract an audience for that kind of daily or weekly update will you have success. But for most of us, focusing on the evergreen content is going to be what wins. All right, hope you enjoyed this case study, and we'll see you in another lesson.